So this is just the recording and recap for what I believe to be day 64. I'm just waiting to connect here to realize the gain or loss. So we recap 72 and it is for live stream 65. So just waiting for the connection. There we are. So we've just connected. We're just going to close the position. Close the position there. So let's talk about what happened then. Let's get the let's get our executions on the charts. So around about here, about 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we took a short. We couldn't be here again due to scheduling commitments, so we couldn't manage the trade in any way. But prices head down to that 144.75 through there, all the way down to the very next level of 82.75. Trade slightly below, down to the 72s for pulling back, holding a support. Market open here around 9:30. Around 9:30 Eastern Standard Time from the US Open. Had the strong rally to the upside. Was short from the 70s there. Prices traveled all the way down to 72, so almost 100 points in my favor. So the trade idea did play itself out, but again, similar to last week, I wasn't here to take advantage of it, and it's somewhat disappointing. So if you have a look at it on the daily chart, I did mention that we had a bit of a doji. We've had a strong move up, bit of a doji. Saw the build from Monday and Tuesday, so I was expecting a bit of a pullback. Saw the pullback, but I wasn't here to take advantage. So saw the pullback there. Prices rallied all the way up to the 240s. Didn't quite get to the 262s, and from there we've had a sell-off from the 240s all the way back down to that 144.75 again. And as I've just got back to charts here, I've just realized I'll just close the position out, and it's for a fairly small, fairly small gain in comparison to days I've had in the past. So as you can see here at top of the screen, about 4 points I've picked up just there, realizing that position. So just picked up 4 points. There was of course about well over 90 on the table there, all the way into this level. May have probably taken, if I was here, may have taken a profit around about that 45. That would have been maybe 25 points. The very next level, of course, being nearly 100 points. But it's all hindsight now. I've also down here, I've added 2-minute Heikin-Ashi here on the charts, just to add a bit of confluence here. So here on the 5-minute, we've seen the moving averages and VWAP flatten out somewhat. Had the breakdown away from there, broke back above, consolidation. Seem to be putting in a higher low here. We'll see if we hold this 138, 140 for the continued move. But again, we've had a strong move out of the FOMC. Seeing a bit of a consolidation here, so I'm not sure if it's going to consolidate for the next leg up, or we will see a bit more of a pullback to the midpoint of the range. But that's something we'll have to look at going forward in the rest of the week. I'm going to have a look here at the trade performance tab. So I'm just bringing over the trade performance tab here. So the equity curve looks fantastic, but again, it's due to the fact that the one trade we did take here. So took the trade at around about 7:10 Eastern Standard Time, and we've just recently exited the trade here. Would be going into just after 6 p.m. here on the NQ. So that's about it, really. So it's just a case of it's the same issues as before. I'm not here to actively manage the trades, so even though they go into my favor, let's just see, say 69.50 down to the low, so about 96 points. So even though the trades go into my favor by a fair bit, I'm not here to close a trade. So just like last week, the trades do move. See, it's moved 170 points from the lows to the highs. So from my entry to the highs is 72 points, but there's 96 points on the table. And I've managed to take 4 of them. So it's just one of those things until my schedule changes. I'm either going to not have, probably I'm going to suffer similar trades, or I may have to not simply trade, and that's the only thing I can do until my schedule changes. So we're just going to wrap up the video there. Don't want to go on any longer than I need to. So it's just a fairly small winning day, but it's a positive day nonetheless to put on the books. And if you watch the video, thanks for watching. And also think about liking the video as well. Thank you.